we're talking about why you should or should not recharge your AC system yourself. Okay, so these machines, just got that one last year, $5,000. This one, I believe, was $4,000 new. This is a R134. This is a Y123, which is your newer system. Okay, what does that machine do versus what you buy at the parts store? So the parts store, you're going to get a can of Freon, and you're going to recharge the system. The problem is that you don't know how much Freon is in it. So let's say your system is a pound or 16-ounce system. You have a can, and it's 16 ounces, and you put it in it. Well, what happens if you had 12 ounces at the beginning? Now you added 16 ounces, so you're at 28 ounces. You're almost double capacity, which is putting a ton of pressure on that system, and that can cause the system to explode, a hose to blow off, things like that. It's actually damaging the system, so you're making your system worse, and it may not work because most of the systems have capacitors, so they can't work under too much load, and they don't work under not enough pressure either. So when we do it, this machine is going to suck the system down. It's going to tell us how much Freon was in it, and then when we refill it, we're refilling it to the exact spec of that car, so we know that it's got the right amount of Freon. The compressor will kick on then. If it's not at the right pressure, the compressor is not going to kick on, so the system might not work. You might think you got something wrong, but it was just because you didn't fill the system to the right capacity. So definitely do not recommend doing that at home without an AC machine.